Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. You give life to God yet? If the answer is yes, just put a yes in the comments below. If the answer is no, let me tell you something. God await on you. So, how are you await pan? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. No, just go on, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the second letter from Peter, chapter 3, from verse 1 to verse 13. Friend, this is my second letter to you now. I write the 2 letter them for remember about them sitting here. So they can think about what good and clean. I want to remember what God prophet them did say in the past. And I want to remember the sitting them where God said we do too. Where Jesus Christ gave apostle them where they in a funo area for go. First thing first, I want to understand say in the last day them people when mock people we believe in Jesus I go come laugh off uno too. Them want to do the wrong sitting them and at that them galang go do. Them a go say him the promise for come down. So when him there? We father, and we mother, and all of the family before them dead and gone. But nothing not change. Everything turns same way from the time the world did make. But they make up their mind to forget say. Long before they did even born, God just said and the heaven and the earth did make. Just so. Out of water and from water. And a same water did flood out and mash up the world where it did about one time. And a God same word I keep the heaven and the earth and now till judgment day when him go burn them up in a fire and punish the people them when no business with the way him say. But friend, we don't forget this. When we are talking about God, one day coming like all 1,000 years to him. And 1,000 years coming like one so day. God no linger with nothing we him promise to do. Like what some people might think. In just a go and take him time, we don't know. Cause he no want nobody to suffer. When want after everybody turn away from sin and come to him. But judgment day go come when we not expect it. Just like our thief come. Panda day there, heaven go disappear. Braps. With one loud noise. And everything we make up the universe. The sun, the moon, the star, and all of them sitting there. I go burn up. And the earth and everything where people do pan it, I go burn up too. Since everything I go mash up so, what kind of people una fi be? Una fi live una life for God. Una fi live clean life. While una look forward for judgment day come. And I do my best to make it come quick. At that day the heaven go burn up. And the universe with all the sun, moon, star, and all them sitting there, I go burn up too. And melt up. But we are look forward for the new heaven them and the new earth where him promise we. And that's how everybody are going to live. Oh God want them to live. God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.